Roles of the software development lifecycle. Business roles. Sponsor. A person or organization that pays for or contributes to the cost of the project. Senior responsible owner. Accountable for a project meeting its objectives. Business analyst, BA. Someone who analyzes a business and documents its process and systems, assessing its business model and/or its integration with technology. Can be involved in all phases of the SDLC, but main responsibilities are requirements analysis, capture and tracking, resource estimation and planning, separation of functional and non-functional requirements, domain expert. A person who is an authority/very knowledgeable in a particular area/topic. End user. A person who actually uses a particular product or service. Project roles. Project manager. A role dedicated to the planning, scheduling, resource allocation, execution, tracking and delivery of a software product. Can be involved in all stages of SDLC. They are the single point of contact, POC, for development teams and the client. Ensure SDLC standards are upheld, such as ISO or CMMI. The International Standards Organization, ISO, and Capability Maturity Model Integration, CMMI, are two standard ratings and guidelines given to organizations that develop software. Team leader. Someone who provides guidance, instruction, direction, and leadership. Work package manager. A work package is a group of related tasks within a project. They are often thought of as sub-projects within a larger one. Work packages are the smallest unit of work that a project can be broken down into. A package manager manages these sub-projects. Technical roles. Technical architect. Responsible for defining the overall structure of a program or system. They act as a project manager, overseeing IT assignments that are aimed at improving the business and ensuring the project runs smoothly. Designer. Is responsible for designing a software model that fulfills the specifications, usually by using diagramming tools. They are also responsible for documenting the design and choosing the system architecture. Solution developer. Creates the computer products needed in order to accomplish particular goals, ranging from custom software to graphical design. Customer needs must be determined by constant communication. Solution tester. Tester of above. They will perform and record testing, black box and white box testing, and be responsible for quality assurance by using static and dynamic analysis tools such as walkthroughs, automated scripts, and performance tools. Implementation and support roles. Release manager. Release management is the process of managing, planning, scheduling and controlling a software build through different stages and environments, including testing and deployment. Database administrator. This role may include capacity planning, installation and configuration, database design, migration security as well as backup and data recovery. System administration. Is responsible for upkeep, configuration, and reliable operation of computer systems. Team working and structure. Effective team working requires communication. Composition. Team composition involves putting together the right set of individuals with relevant expertise to accomplish the team goals and tasks, to maximize team effectiveness. Maturity. Maturity is not just about age, but how someone is mindful of others before they say or act. There are 3 team structures you should be aware of. Functional structure. In a functional structure, employees are grouped based on their specific skills and knowledge, with each department structured vertically. Strengths. Streamlined communication. With one manager to answer to, employees know who to go and confusion is reduced. Quality products. Employees who have similar skills and experiences are grouped together, reducing time for learning, and production more efficient, resulting in higher quality products. Weaknesses. Siloing and rigid structure. Employees may lack knowledge about other departments, especially when managers are only concerned with their own teams and do not communicate with each other, which leads to siloing, and in turn make changes and flexibility hard to handle. Repetition and enthusiasm. Employees may find it boring to repeat the same task over and over, resulting in less enthusiasm over time. Project structure. In a project structure, employees are grouped together for a project which results in a mix of skills and resources, with a project manager in charge. When a project is complete, the teams may be reorganized. Strengths. Loyalty and quality. Project structure is the easiest in which to create a strong team culture, which encourages collaboration, enthusiasm, and as the whole team is focused on the team's goals, it can result in a high-quality product. Project and team control. Stronger control over the team, and therefore project, as the team respond to one project manager. Weaknesses. Job security. Sometimes closing a project can mean job losses, as the business may not have another role available for certain employees. Resources and expenses. Having a team dedicated to one project is an expensive commitment, especially as they accumulate resources to work on a singular project. This can limit the number of projects a company can do at any one time, especially when different projects require the same skills. Matrix structure. The matrix structure is a combination of the project and functional structures, which strengthens the strengths of each and tackles the weaknesses. Employees may report to their functional manager but also to their project manager for the duration of a project. Strengths. Flexibility and communication. The matrix structure allows the sharing of highly skilled people and resources between functional units and projects. This means communication are open and knowledge can be shared. Job security. With the matrix structure, employees can widen their experience and skill sets, as they can be a part of various projects which put them in an environment that facilitates learning and gives them an opportunity to grow professionally. Teams remain loyal because the structure provides a more stable environment where job security is strengthened. Weaknesses. Manager conflict. Since the matrix structure results in the team having two managers, there can be confusion on who to communicate certain aspects of the project to, and if the managers do not communicate effectively with each other or disagree on particular aspects, this can result in unnecessary problems. Cost and burnout. Having multiple people in managerial positions can be costly. Team members' workload can be heavy, as they're often tasked with their regular assignments and then additional project work, which can lead to burnout or some tasks being ignored. Deliverables of SDLC. Many deliverables are a way of detailing what is understood about the system in terms of what it needs to do, how it should do it and how it gets delivered. Deliverables include requirement documents. PRD is a document containing all of the requirements of a product. It is written to give an understanding of what a product should do. Class/entity relationship models. Use case diagrams. Process models EIV model/waterfall. Component diagrams. State transition diagrams. Sequence diagrams. Activity diagrams. Data flow diagrams. Test plans. Test scripts. Implementation plans. System components and working software.